You're gonna be like, Melissa, what the heck? Good morning, welcome to Vlogmas day 12. Got my iced chai. For today's Vlogmas, we're gonna do a little get ready with me. I'm just gonna do my makeup on camera. I got a new eyeshadow palette, which I showed you guys in yesterday's Vlogmas, and I'm gonna use it for the first time today, and we're gonna see what we can come up with. I also asked you guys what kind of content you wanted to see, and I got a lot of requests to just share my makeup, so we're gonna talk about makeup today. First step is to wash your face, of course, so I already did that, and now I'm gonna be applying the Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. This is from First Aid Beauty, and it's like a moisturizer and a primer all in one. Perfect for underneath your makeup. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty foundation, and I'm between two colors right now. This one's super light, and this one's for when I self-tan, but I find that when I just use my like natural skin one, it kind of like makes my face a little dull. So I've been mixing the two, and I feel like it's perfect. But I do a really light layer of this because I just feel like you don't need much. And then a few dabs of this one to kind of like warm my face up just a little. And then I'm using the Rare Beauty brush. I really need to clean my brushes today. You know what? Maybe we'll clean my brushes after this. This brush is filthy. I think I'm just gonna use a beauty blender. I have to go wet this. Okay, I'm back. So I'm just gonna blend this all out. So there's that. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm just using the Sephora retractable brow pencil. I really want to get my eyebrows microbladed. Not that I have terrible brows, but that way I wouldn't have to fill them in every day. Has anyone ever done that? I feel like it's like more and more common nowadays. I really just want to do it. If I end up doing that, I'd probably just film my whole experience and make a video about it. That's it for my brows, super simple. I'm going to warm up my face a little bit with this Clinique Chubby Stick, and this is the 01 Curvy Contour. And this is usually all I do every day. Like since I've been in quarantine, it's been very simple. But today we are going to take it a step further because I have my new eyeshadow palette and I just want to look a little more glam today. So I'm going to add in my Rare Beauty liquid blush. I really like this stuff. I think it's really cool and easier to blend than like a normal blush. And even though it looks like I'm using a lot, this blends in with my skin tone so well that I kind of need a lot to give it a little bit of a glow. See, like it blends really nicely. Gives me a nice little rosy glow. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my new eyeshadow palette, the Born This Way Natural Nudes palette. My new eyeshadow brushes. Okay, so I'm gonna use all three of my new eyeshadow brushes for this look. I almost forgot that I had new eyeshadow brushes. I'm going to go in with the shade Swan, which is this really light shade, and just apply that all over my lid. I'm just kind of doing this as I go. Obviously, this is a new palette to me, so I don't really know what the colors look like. Now I'm just gonna go in with this shade Seashell, and I'm just gonna blend this into my crease. I do like this little blending brush. It's like really fluffy, so I feel like it makes it easy to blend. And my other one that I have, this old thing, I don't even know the brand of this. I don't even know what it says. This tapered blending one. I feel like this is still an okay brush, but I think this is more for like more detail, whereas this is like fluffy blending, so it works so much better. Okay, so now I am going to go in with the other brush. This is the Precision Crease brush, and I'm gonna pick a really darker color. I think I'm gonna do Warm Rose, which is like 2 or 3 shades darker, but still in that like nude pink family, mauve kind of color. Do the crease. Oh, I think I put too much. It has been so long since I've played around with makeup, I forgot like how much fun this was, even though like I'm not good at it at all. It's still like so fun to play around with. Here's kind of what it looks like so far. Now I'm gonna take the shade Cocoa and just put this in like the outer V area. I'll probably use this shader brush. Okay, now I'm going to add a sparkle. I think we're gonna do Sparkling Sand, which is this one here. And then lastly for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with that dark cocoa color and just line like my lower lash line area. Now I'm gonna take my liquid eyeliner. This is the Fly Liner by Fenty Beauty. And I'm going to do a little wing. To use my NARS Climax, which is my favorite mascara ever. And then for my lips, I'm going to use this Becca lipstick in the shade Bear, and it's just like a nude pinky color. Spray a little all-nighter spray. I feel so cute. I haven't done my makeup in so long like this. Like, it's been a while since I've actually taken the time to do some eyeshadow and liquid eyeliner and actually put on mascara. It's having COVID, man, you just like don't want to do anything. Now I have to tackle the task of figuring out what to do with my hair. I am back and I decided to curl my hair. So here's the final product of the hair. I wish I had something exciting to do today now that I have my hair and makeup done. Maybe I'll take a cute selfie. What else is there to do? I'm gonna light this candle and I'm gonna work on my computer for a little bit, and I think I might stream some Animal Crossing gameplay today. I posted on my community board on my YouTube channel yesterday asking you guys if I should do like some Animal Crossing streaming, because I love featuring it in my vlogs. But I know that not everybody likes watching that. Like, I know not everybody's into Animal Crossing that watches my videos, so I don't want it to be like an annoyance to the people who don't care about Animal Crossing. So that's why I've been like a little hesitant to put gameplay in my vlogs as much. So I thought maybe if I stream, then the people who want to see it can come and watch the stream. It's a little bit later now and I'm currently streaming on Twitch. I finally decided to do it and a bunch of you guys hopped on and I've been chatting with you. It's been really fun. Here's my little stream setup. I'm just using like the Twitch studio thing to stream. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it's kind of fun. Lots of you guys are saying hi in the vlog, so I wanted to give you guys your shout out moment for Vlogmas. Okay, I just finished streaming, guys. I streamed for like over an hour. So many of you guys got on. Thank you so much for the support. It actually means so much to me. I had a lot of fun, and I'll probably stream again either later tonight or definitely tomorrow. But I just got out my wrapping stuff. I have a few more gifts I'm gonna wrap. So we're gonna get wrapping. Look how pretty and festive everything looks. Guys, I have to tell you something really exciting. You're gonna be like, Melissa, what the heck? I bought a new camera. And I know you're thinking, you literally just got a new camera, Melissa. And yes, that's true, but I literally hate this camera. The whole reason that I wanted to upgrade my camera a few months back initially was because I wanted a lighter and more compact camera. What I didn't know is how much I was gonna dislike Sony cameras. While the Sony ZV-1 definitely has some really great features, it has way too many flaws for me to like using it. It has major formatting issues. It's extremely slow to turn off and turn on, so when the lens is coming out and going back in, it literally takes like 5 to 10 seconds by the time you click the button for it to say, oh, she wants me to turn off, and then close. So when I'm like out and about vlogging a clip in the grocery store and then I wanna turn my camera off and throw it in my bag, I have to like hold it and wait for it to finally close the lens before I can put it away. And it's so frustrating. When I had my Canon, I would click the off button and it would immediately shut off. I don't know if that's just a problem with this camera in particular or what the deal is, but not only that, the battery life is awful on this thing. I literally have to replace the little teeny tiny battery like 3 or 4 times for one vlog in one day, because it just dies. And it's so annoying, and I've been so over it for a while. So the camera that I've had my eye on for a little while now actually went on sale, and I just decided to go for it. If it works out how I'm hoping it will, I will be happy with it. It is a Canon camera, and it has the option for a detachable lens. It's a popular vlogging camera, and it's also a compact one. So I think it's gonna have everything that I'm hoping it will. It comes in on Monday. If it works out, I'll just sell my ZV-1 and I'll be a happy gal back to a Canon camera, because seriously, Sony is not it, man. Like, I hate this Sony camera. Dinner is served. Don't mind Trooper crunching away over there on his food. We just decided to order in tonight because we're watching the Gator game and it just sounded good. So I got some wonton soup and then the Kung Pao chicken from Payway with just veggies. So it's not Kung Pao chicken, sorry, it's just Kung Pao with veggies. It's just the Kung Pao chicken like sauce, and then I actually got extra Kung Pao sauce because it's so good and spicy. Well, we are gonna watch the Gator game now, and by we, I mean Chad is gonna watch the Gator game, and I'm gonna play Animal Crossing. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.